And next to these device icons, you'll also see your page view. Right now we're editing the home page, but if you want to switch to another page, just click on the page here, and we could open up our About page, Services page, or Contact page. And you can also add in brand new pages here as well. To add in a new page, just click on this button here. Click on Save and Leave. And from here, you're able to begin building your brand new page from complete scratch. You can drag in layouts and elements just like before. But another really cool feature about starter templates, from here, if you click on the starter templates icon, you're able to import pre-made pages from other templates. So for example, here, if I like the outdoor adventure template, I can click on it to open it. And then I can freely import any of the pages from this template. So for example, if I wanted to create a services page, I could take it directly from this new template. Now, if you're only looking to add in a pre-made block, then go to the top here and switch from pages to blocks. And here you'll see all of the pre-made blocks that are available. And in the top left, you can switch from all, and you'll see all of the pre-made blocks that are available for different page types. So whether you're making a features page, a services page, or for example, an FAQ page, you can click on the one that you need. Click on the block that you like. I like this one here in the middle. Then go to the top and click on Import Block. And you'll see it appear here on your new page. Now the next thing we'll need to do is change the page name. Right now you can see at the top, it just says Elementor page and then draft. To change your page name, go to the top and find this icon here. And that's going to open up your page settings. Here the title will change this to say FAQ. Then we'll change the status from draft to published. And then whenever you're done editing your page, go to the top right and click on Publish. Now, as you can see here, the page name has changed. It says FAQ and it's no longer a draft.